This recording is to show you how to send an email. Of course, it assumes that you're logged into MadMimi. And to send an email, you go to Promotions. Promotions is where all the emails reside, all the templates and all the emails that were sent. If the template isn't showing up that you need, or you can click on Recent. Because sometimes when you go to this page, you'll just see one template. Let me try that here, see if just one shows up. Yep, they're all showing up. But if you didn't see what you're looking for, just click on this word Recent here, and then they'll all show up just like this. So I've created a template just for you to put in different things that you might need. And it just says from Chick Richards, Lee County Archers template. So when you're using a template, you want to make a copy of it so that the template is there for you to use again. So you're going to click on the word clone. So right below the one that you want to duplicate, you click clone. And now you can see it's made a copy of it. And so I want to go in and edit. So you click edit. And now you want to change the heading to what you want it to be. So I would say this will be test message from Chick. Okay. That's the name of your promotion that's going to be in there, and that's also, I believe, the header. Actually, the header from the email I'll show you will be coming up here soon, but that's just the name of the promotion so that you can find it again. And if you want to change this here, you see that little pencil. Anytime you mouse over something, you'll see it pop up, and there's a little pencil. So you can click on the header. So you want to put just wanted to say hi and see you Saturday at setup. When you got what you want there, you would hit OK. If you wanted to change the format of something, you would highlight it. This is, you can see bullets. This is numbering. This is a hyperlink. This is centering text. This is bold and italics. So you'd hit OK. So now it says just wanted to say hi and see you Saturday at setup. So the center part here is the text, and you can see this is just a placeholder. It says a short update like this is great for getting your point across. So you click on that, and you would just type this in. Can't wait to shoot this Saturday. You guys are the best at setting up. Same thing if you wanted to change the size of the font. You want to make it, that's a subheading. This is bullets, number, link, alignment, bold, and italics. So when you're done typing what you want here, you just go OK. And so let's say you wanted to add a picture. You go down here. These are all the segments that you can add. So each of these things that you can see that when I mouse over, that's like a little part of this email, and they can all be moved around in different locations. So let's say you wanted to add a picture. You go down here to image, and now there's been a picture section added. So if I want to go to the gallery, go add a picture from one of the shoots that's on your computer, you would click that plus button and pick the picture from your hard drive of your computer or a thumb drive if you had one, and you click, so you select it and you click upload, and you'll see it'll show up over here. And then all you do is click and drag it. So anything that you put over here or anything you see over here can be clicked and dragged down below. So to add another picture, you would just click this little plus button on the gallery. It'll go to your hard drive, you upload the picture, and then you drag it to wherever you want. If you said, oh, well, that's the wrong picture, I want to drag a different one, you would just click on that click on the new one, drag it over, and it'll replace it. So let's say I want to move this logo to the top. When I click on this once, you'll see there's a little bar there to the left, and all that does is say that I can move things around. So I just clicked and dragged that up. This is your signature. If I wanted to change that, I just click on it and say thanks a bunch, hit OK, and now it's ready for you to save. So this is, don't worry about the banner, don't worry about the logo. And you can drag the logo into the top here as a picture if you want. Remember, we use a little image holder there. But that's the basics. So you hit save. And you always want to hit save so you know that you're got whatever work you've done saved. So now is the part where you get ready to email it. So you go to continue, lower right hand corner, click on continue. And you'd say, well, who do we want to email it to? And what I always do when I'm creating one is I'll put my own email address right in here. I'll type it in, and then I'll say continue. This is the subject line of the email, which is right now is the same as what we named the file. So you would definitely want to put in there whatever you want in the subject line from the email. Reminder of Setup Saturday. You don't have to do anything with these. Those just are left as they are. Leave everything up here as it is. And so if I want, this says I'm only sending this to one person, which is my own email address. And then I'll click send. And it'll say, give you another chance to say yes or no. So it says you're sending it to one person, one audience member from Lee County Archers, and the subject matter. It says, does this everything look right? And you go, okay, yes, send. And it'll take a minute. All right. So these are the statistics. It said 1 sent, 1 accepted to me. So you go into your email and you look at it and you go, that looks okay, so now I want to send it to the group. You go back to the promotions tab, which promotion is the same as emails. And here's where I told you before, where usually it shows you all of them. Well, this is the one we want to resend. So if I wanted to see all, I would click on show all, but I just want to resend this one. So I'm going to click on send. And if I wanted to send it to the green members, which are the last year's members, I would hit include. If I wanted to send it to this year's members, I'd hit include. And then you just hit continue, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to send it. And then it would ask you again, are you sure? And it would give you one more chance to change your mind. And then you hit send. If you wanted to schedule something to go later, let's say you're going to be out of town and you wanted to send something for the next morning, you would click on send later. Whoop, it wants to know who do I want to send this to. So I'm going to say send this to the test list, which is my name in there. So test list, send later. And it comes up with a time and a calendar. So I'd say, okay, send this tomorrow at, 9 in the morning. So you pick 9, and just by sliding this, you can pick your time, continue. And so it's going just to the test list, and you hit continue, and it'll say, are you sure? Then up on the right hand side, it'll say, what are you sending? Reminder of Setup Saturday, scheduled tomorrow at 9:40, and it's to the test list, which is 2 people. And you just hit schedule, and you're all set. Let me know what questions you have after you've tried this. That pretty much shows you how to create a email. I'm going to go ahead and I'll leave this one in here so that you can see it. You can see if I click the show all, they all show up. So what I do is when I have another Mike's 3D shoot, I'll just make a copy of this template and then change the information. That's what I did on this one right here. So this Mike's 3D shoot here was a copy of that one, updated and sent out. This is the membership renewal that I sent. You can see it went to 143 people. It says 142 of the emails accepted it. That means there was 1 bounce. 75 people viewed, and it's all good to go. Alrighty. Have fun.